All right, I got a problem for you today that is actually a pretty basic question, but whenever I give this on a test or as a homework assignment, I always get more incorrect answers than I anticipate. So let's break this problem down, try and figure out why so many kids miss it. All this is the product rule with exponents, right? You got a base x and a base x, both have exponents, so we just need to know what to do with exponents when we're multiplying bases that are the same. We should already know by now that x to the third power times x to the fifth power, all you got to do to figure out what that is just add your exponents. Remember, if we're multiplying bases that are the same, we add our exponents, so that would make x to the eighth power. Common mistake, something that we see all the time, a common misconception is kids want to multiply these. Whenever I give this problem, kids go back to multiplying. I don't know why. Actually, I think I do know why. Kids like to multiply fractions better than they like adding or subtracting them. So when you see this problem, you got to ask yourself, what's the rule? Bases are the same, add my exponents. So this means take x to the 6/5 and add 5 to it, which is not the easiest thing in the world to do until you take that 5 and turn it into its own fraction with a denominator of 5. So how could I take 6/5 and add something over here? Well, just take 5 and turn it into something over 5, and then it becomes a much easier problem. So what number over 5 would equal 5? That would be 25. 25/5 is equivalent to 5. So take 25 and put it up on top. Now what we know is that we just got to add 6/5 and 25/5, and whatever we get as an answer, that's what our A is going to be. So 6/5 and 25/5 would make a total of 31/5. So the question's asking you, what is A equal to? A is equal to 31/5. Or you could say 6 1/5. Hopefully that makes sense. Don't make something simple as this more complex than it needs to be. Try not to overthink it. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.